Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong April 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Alright, so let's see, Libra. Energy ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong April 2025. Phoenix, rising from the ashes. Ito yung panahon ng pagbangon. Kung kayo'y nagkaroon ng mga pagsubok pagdating sa trabaho, sa finances nyo, sa business ninyo, ngayong April yung panahon ng pagbangon. Because Phoenix is the energy of someone na rising from the ashes. Ito yung overcoming the challenges. Yes, so you are overcoming your challenges. This is resurrection, regeneration. So maaari ring parang pagbabalik sigla to para sa inyo, no? Kung nung mga nakaraan nawalan kayo ng gana sa trabaho, nawalan kayo ng gana sa business. So ngayong April, babalik yung inyong lakas, yung inyong gana. You are going to trust the process na minsan kailangan ulit magsimula, pero syempre no, hindi naman porket nagsisimula ka pa lang wala ka ng kayang gawin. So dapat ngayon yung time na mas mag-focus ka sa sarili mo kung ano yung pwede mong i-improve pa. Yan. To make things happen for your career or for your business kung may business ka. Pagbangon. Okay, let's see what else. Libra. You have Gemini. So this is communication, curiosity. So maaring you are networking, nagpapalawak ka ng mga connections mo, kaibigan mo, or if you are into social media, mas dadami yung followers mo. You are connecting to more people. Maaring ang career mo may kinalaman sa communication. Maaring yung iba sa inyo content creator or you're into public speaking. 'Di ba? 11th house, which is the collective. So being part of a group. Yung iba sa inyo ay magiging popular sa inyong community. It's like redemption, no? Yung parang you're going to redeem yourself. Lalo na kung naging challenging yung situation mo sa isang community. At ngayon ang panahon para magpakitang gilas ulit. Let's see what else, Libra. So this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng iyong money, ng career, at kung wala kang work, so ito yung energy for you. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, Libra, you are still in the process of grieving. Maaring merong heartbreak, merong disappointment when it comes to your career or business. But lumalaban ka eh. Maaring meron kang nakaaway, nagkaroon ng misunderstanding. Pwedeng sa trabaho to, pwedeng sa kapwa mo kanegosyo. But I think you have learned your lesson. At nagpo-focus ka na ngayon sa kung paano mo ibabalik yung mga nawala sa'yo. Okay, overall energy, the Emperor. So this is stability. Maaring ngayon mas may structure ka, may direction, may plano, klaro yung plano mo. And also discipline. So, disciplined ka sa mga actions na gagawin mo. Kumbaga, meron kang pagdadaan ng proseso na step by step. And then, your challenge is judgment. So, maaring andun pa yung point na tinatry mong intindihin or maintindihan yung mga challenges na kinaharap mo in the past. And itong judgment is about learning from your mistakes. Okay? So, you are learning from your mistakes, yung mga bad decisions mo, pagdating sa pera, pagdating sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. So, ngayon, you are accepting yung mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado, and you are learning from that, from your experiences. And then your opportunity is the 10 of Wands. Ngayon naman, may opportunity ka to do a lot of things. Kaya lang, syempre kapag masyadong marami kang binibigay na responsibilidad sa sarili mo, may tendency na hindi mo lahat yan magampanan. So just make sure na kaya mo yung mga kinukuha mong trabaho, yung mga kinukuha mong responsibilidad. Okay? And then your blessing is the Knight of Wands. So this is flow. I think you're going with the flow. You are also parang ano to action, puro action. Oo, na hindi ka papayag na parang maging stagnant ka ulit, no? So kumbaga, you were already given an opportunity na patunayan ulit yung sarili mo. So hindi mo nasasayangin 'yun. So this time, magpapakitang gilas ka talaga. Okay? And then for your money, Wheel of Fortune, ang ganda. So this is energy shift pagdating sa finances mo. The wheel is turning in your favor. Kumbaga, mas nagiging pabor sa'yo yung mga mangyayari when it comes to your finances. Pwedeng meron kang magandang desisyon para sa investment mo, or yung mindset mo pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances mo ay nagiging pabor para sa'yo. Now, your career is the devil. Nako, sa career mo, merong mga temptation. Okay? This can also mean fear, yung takot mo na baka kasi yung iba sa inyo, yung parang nagpapadala ka sa takot or sa stress na na-experience mo sa iba mong katrabaho. Kasi minsan may mga bully sa work, no? Sa workplace. So, it's time for you to fight back. Laban ka, no? Kumbaga, patunayan mo sa kanila na dinideserve mo yung career mo ngayon, trabaho mo ngayon. And, wag mong hayaan na sila yung parang mamutawi, no? Na matakot ka sa kanila. This is also your desires, no? So, maaring pagdating sa trabaho, maaring andyan yung mga opportunities, but at the same time, meron siyang temptation. Pwedeng meron siyang kapalit na hindi makakabuti para sa'yo. So, use your discernment sa pagpili, no? Ng landas na tatahakin mo sa trabaho or sa career mo. And then, if you don't have work, you have the sun. Ang ganda. Yung iba sa inyo, kahit wala kayong trabaho, tuloy-tuloy ang pasok ng pera. Maari kasi yung iba sa inyo, you are very creative. Maaring yung source of income ninyo ay galing sa inyong talento, no? So, let's say, for example, isa kang painter. So, you don't need to work for others. Kailangan mo lang mag-paint and ibenta, no? Yung iyong talento, yung iyong skills. So, just an example. And yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring meron kayong nare-receive na, na sustento. Let's see what else. Taking chances. So, yung iba sa inyo ay susubok ng medyo risky na opportunity, no? But you're going to be more courageous. Magiging malakas ang loob mo rito na mag-take ng risk. Kasi, syempre, 'di ba? Minsan, kung sino pa talaga yung risk taker, sila talaga yung mas nagiging successful sa kanilang career. Some of you are very comfortable sa situation nyo or living condition nyo, but minsan, di ba, kailangan din natin mag-explore doon sa outside of our comfort zone, because you'll never know na mayroon ka pa palang madidiscover sa sarili mo. Yung iba sa inyo, magaling kayong mag-market. So, pwedeng ang opportunity na susubukan nyo, affiliate marketing, or online selling. Ayan. So, you can use your talents in growing your business and also earning extra income. New growth and potential is on the horizon. Reach out and embrace it. Yes. So, may pag-unlad. May potential ka na mas umunlad pa ngayong April. So, i-embrace mo yung opportunity na yan. The universe is calling you to notice important synchronicity. So, itong synchronicities na to, ito yung mga bagay na hindi mo madalas makita or ma-experience. Pero, for some reasons, nakikita at na-experience mo. Example, repeating numbers. Or you are seeing the same animal for a period of time. So, i-look up mo yung meaning nun kasi maaring meron yung mensahe para sa'yo about your situation. Lalo na kung you are seeking for clarity. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.